Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a flash flood warning for northern Wells County in south-central North Dakota until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible across northern Wells County. Flash flooding is ongoing. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fessenden, Heimdall, Bremen, Manfred, and Hamburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is the forecast.